Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the highest quality clip and duplicating the layer so you can always revert. Once done, open your Chroma key effect and sample the dominant green with the eyedropper. This gives you the primary remover. Next, increase tolerance gradually to eliminate most of the backdrop without eating hair or clothing. Make sure to toggle matte view so you can see holes or noise early. This prevents overcorrection and sets a solid base for refinement in the next steps. Once the rough key is clean, focus on refinement. Apply spill suppression to neutralize green fringes and nudge hue shift or balance to restore natural skin tones. Then, use edge tools, feather lightly and contract or expand the mat to reveal flyaway hair and fine fabric texture without reintroducing background. At the same time, draw a simple garbage mat to cut out parts of the frame the Chroma key missed, like stands or floors. Make sure to check motion frames for consistency as you proceed. You now place the replacement background and scale or track it to match camera perspective. If the shot is 16:9, set correct framing before finalizing. Then, color grade the subject to match lighting, contrast, and warmth so the composite reads as a single image. Use subtle vignettes and shadow tweaks. Finally, export using your source codec and frame rate. If you see edge artifacts, return to the mat and add a few keyframed cleanup points or tighten spill suppression. That single tweak often fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.